together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good morning, friends. I'm happy to be here. I hope that you are happy this morning too. Let's see what day we are in. Our month is still April. There's a lot of days that we've had in April. That shows us that we're almost finished with this month. Let's see how many days we've had in April. This number says 27. Yesterday was April 27th. After 27 comes 28. I'll do a 2 and an 8. 28. 28. Yesterday was Monday. There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I waved my hands when I said Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And our year, 2020. We know that big number. All right, I'm going to say our date. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. We are in the season of spring, and our weather today is sunny. Today is going to be a very warm day. I hope that you get outside and do something fun. All right, we're going to do our circle a little differently today. I'm going to start with our sign language. Usually we do that at the end, but we're going to start with that today. First, let's review the letters we already know. A, B, K, D, E, G, I. Can you guess what letter we're going to do today? This one. What sound does this letter make? J, like jackrabbit. Jammies. Jumping. To do a J in sign language, you put your pinky up and you draw J. J. It's like making a little hook. J. Okay, let's learn our new poem. I had a J, a bouncing letter J. A J for jump. Jump, jump away. Jumping makes me jolly. Jumping brings me joy. A jack in the box is a very jumpy boy. So I had a J, a bouncing letter J. A J for jump, jump, jump away. Jumping makes me jolly. Jumping brings me joy. A jack in the box is a very jumpy boy. That was tricky for me. So we need to know how to make a J in sign language. Jump, like your little hands are jumping on the bed. Joy. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is jolly. This is joy. Like your heart is feeling joy. So jolly, joy. And then we can do a jack in the box. Jack in the box is a toy that you wind up, and then when it's done winding, the little toy pops out. Okay, let's practice this again. Jump, jolly, joy, Jack in the Box. Okay. I had a bouncing letter J, for jump, jump, jump away. Jumping makes me jolly, jumping brings me joy. A Jack in the Box is a very jumpy boy. I hope you've been practicing your sign language. We know a lot of letters now. You might even be able to spell some words. All right, we learned our continent song. And we talked about how there are 7 continents. Today, we're going to take a look at one of those continents. Let's sing our continent song. When we get to the one we're going to learn about, I'll do my jazz hands. Okay? North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia. Don't forget Oceania. Don't forget Antarctica. These are the continents, these are the continents, these are the continents of the world. So I did my jazz hands on the very first continent, North America. I figured we'd start at the first song in our the first continent in our song. So I have here our map of North America. Each piece shows us a different country. Except for these two. They're in the same country, but we'll talk about that another day. There's a big island up here. An island, remember, is surrounded by water on all sides. It's an island. I see a peninsula right here. Peninsula is long and it goes into the water, and the water surrounds it on 1, 2, 3 sides. We've got a gulf. There are all sorts of land and water forms here. Today, we're going to talk about this country. So all of these countries together make up the continent of North America. We're going to start by talking about this country. This is the shape of the country. The blue is the water, and the gray is the land for this piece. This country, I'm going to hold up the label because some of you might be able to read it. This country is called Greenland. Greenland is a country in North America. North America is its continent, and Greenland is the country's name. So when you hear the name Greenland, you might think that it's very green there, but it's not. Greenland is covered in ice. It's so cold there. It's basically like winter feeling all year long. Can you believe it? And something else that's interesting about Greenland is that for a couple months of the year, it's sunny out all day long. Where we live, the sun sets and we say, okay, it's nighttime, let's go to bed. But in Greenland in the summertime, the sun stays up all day, every day. So the people there, they go to bed when the sun is still up because you still need to sleep even if the sun doesn't go down. Something else that I thought you might like to know about Greenland is that kayaks were invented in Greenland. Kayaks are small little boats that can go quickly, which are really good for being in Greenland where there's so much ice. People in Greenland use their kayaks to go quickly around the ice. Now, I thought you guys might want to see some animals that would live in Greenland. Let's try to think about it. So if it's cold there a lot of times, think about animals that you might see in an Arctic region. Greenland is in the Arctic region. It's close to the North Pole. All right, when we count to 3, I'm going to switch so you can see my work. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? This is a picture of an Arctic region. Life in the polar regions can be very difficult. The Arctic, which is the area around the North Pole, is one of the coldest places on Earth. Only the toughest animals can survive here. What animals do you see? Polar bears. They're the largest carnivore. That means they eat meat. On the flag of Greenland, there's a picture of a polar bear. There's a snowy owl, a musk ox, an Arctic fox. And this is what it looks like in parts of Greenland. Would you like to live in Greenland? I don't know. I don't know if I would. I might like to visit there, but I really like warm weather. I imagine people who live in Greenland, they wear very warm clothing so that they are not too cold. All right, let's switch back so we can read a story. 1, 2, 3. How do you feel? I thought this would be a good book because it showed a child inside their house having some feelings. And I know that we've all been staying in our houses, and I've been having some feelings. All feelings are okay. We just need to find people to talk to them about and find ways to help us feel the way we want to feel. How do you feel when you want something very, very much? How do you feel when you get it for your birthday? Can you guess how that child might be feeling? I think that they're feeling happy. How do you feel when someone special leaves you for a little while? How's that child feeling? They look like they're sad. How do you feel when someone special comes home? How do you feel when your pet is hurt? Maybe worried. That child looks like they're worried about their kitten. How do you feel when your pet is better? How do you feel when someone hurts you? Can you guess how that child is feeling? My guess would be sad. I'm guessing that because of the way their face looks. There are tears coming out, and their eyes kind of look sad. How do you feel when someone helps you? How do you feel when you are all alone? How do you feel when friends come to play? How do you feel when your boots are too tight? I might feel frustrated if I was having trouble putting my boots on. That sounds very frustrating. How do you feel when they fit just right? How do you feel when you fight with a friend? How do you feel when you say, "I'm sorry," and everything is right again. The end. So what this story taught me was that sometimes we have feelings where we're frustrated or we're sad, but then either a friend or a family member or we ourselves can fix it to make it feel better. So if you're feeling frustrated or sad or lonely or angry, I would say you should talk to someone in your family and see if they can help you to feel better. Talking about feelings, how about we do if you're happy and you know it? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, shake your hair. If you're happy and you know it, shake your hair. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shake your hair. If you're happy and you know it, roll your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, roll your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, roll your shoulders. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance. Oh, that felt good. Today, let's end with a breathing exercise. Let's do 5 pufferfish breaths. Remember, to do a pufferfish breath, you need to take a deep breath in to fill up your pufferfish, and then when you breathe out, it goes back down again. Let's do 5 of those. Last one. Let's offer each other peace. I offer you peace. I offer you friendship. I offer you love. I hear your needs. I see your beauty. I care about your feelings. We are not alone. Let's work together. Bye. See you next time.